This location is the main settings here. That is, you will not allow this location in any way. If you allow this location here, then all your friends on Facebook will be able to track you and anyone can see where are you at the moment. If this location is allowed in your settings, then your friend will be able to search for your thing Facebook and find out where are you. Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. I am also well. Now I will share with you something very important and interesting. The video is very important for those of you who use Facebook because if you don't watch the video, then the personal information may be compromised or all the place you are going may be tracked. That is, anyone can easily find out all the information about where you are going or where you are currently. So, the video is going to be very important. Do not skip and watch the entire video. And if you like the video, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, without further ado, let's start the video. For this, first you have to open your Facebook apps. Then click on the profile icon that you see on the top right like the three dot icon. Then when you scroll down and will find the option called settings and privacy. Click there. After that you will click on settings. After that you will find first option here. Now you will scroll down. After coming down you will find the option called device permission. Click there. After coming to this option to device permission, you will get an option called location. This location is the main settings here. That is, you will not allow this location in any way. If you allow this location here, then all your friends on Facebook will be able to track you and anyone can see where are you at the moment. If this location is allowed in your settings, then your friend will be able to search for your thing Facebook and find out where are you. So this is very important and interesting. Those of you who want to track the current location of any Facebook user or your Facebook friends, that is to see where is currently using Facebook, they must comment on me. Then I will make a video for you through which you can track the current location of any friends on Facebook and see where is he, where is he. So you will not allow this location option here in any way. So now I am showing you by clicking on see information here. So you can see here that the never option is selected. If you click on the update settings and allow it, then everyone will be able to track your current location. So you can see here that is written, help you check info plus password. So when you allow this location, anyone can track you secretly and can be informed about your current location. So you can see that I have the never location option on Facebook here. So anyone who wants to, but now they will not be able to track my current location through Facebook. So how did you like the video? Everyone like and comment, and if you like it, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Those of you who are suffering from various problem with your Facebook account such as Facebook hacked, Facebook account security, forget Facebook password, Facebook account disabled, Facebook account recovery, my channel also has videos on solving all Facebook problems. You can watch those videos according to your needs. For this, you can go to Facebook, YouTube or Google and search for Digital Pro Tips. So, if you search for Digital Pro Tips on YouTube, then the first channel you will see is my channel. So you can see this channel is my channel. So You can easily find any video by entering this channel and going to the playlist without any kind of harassment. Also, if you search on Google and write digital pro tips, then the first channel you will see is my channel. So you can see what when I search for digital pro tips. My channel showed up first, and Google AI told you something in details about my channel here. So those of you who want to rank your YouTube channel first on YouTube and Google, or those of you who want to channel name to be show first when you search, they can go to my YouTube channel and watch the related videos. For this, you will come to my YouTube channel and click on the playlist called YouTube Growth and Tips. Here it is given how you can customize your channel and how to SEO your video and channel. So by watching this video, you can rank your channel SEO fast. So how did you like the video? Everyone please like, comment and share it so that others can see it. Everyone stay well and healthy. Thank you very much.